Well, hey there YouTube. I'm actually going to do a repair video today on this Toro Super Recycler. The problem it has, the blade clutch wouldn't work very well. When you engage the blade, it wouldn't do anything. The blade felt weak, the clutch felt weak when it was engaged. And I found out what the problem was. I thought maybe it was just the belt. It wasn't. The problem was the pulley underneath. The bearing inside is disintegrated. I didn't find one ball bearing when I took this off. It was completely destroyed. So I bought a new pulley, and I did buy a new belt. And I also bought a new little collar that fits in there, and I'll show you all of that. So there is my new replacement pulley. I was advised by one of my subscribers to buy a new collar, and I'll put his handle in the description of this video. Very helpful guy. The part for that collar is 465630, and I don't remember what the part for the pulley is. So at any rate, we're going to put this and my new belt back on the mower. Stay tuned. First things first, we'll take the blade back off. I didn't put anything here back together very tight. So our pulley goes right back behind here. Bolt that holds it in goes through there. So I did tie off the bail. Kind of wiggle my belt down in there. And then get my pulley back behind here. And I think I will have to disengage the clutch now, because it's just going to stretch my new belt too much. Okay, the brake is back on. Okay, I'm through the hole. I'm just going to get the nut on the back. There is a little washer that goes with the nut. I have my wrench holding the nut in the back. I can feel the pulley turning. Okay, we're back on. Now we'll reinstall the belt cover. Got a crack up here. And I'm not going in real tight because the deck is aluminum and I don't want to strip out the holes. And I just gave the blade a sharpen downstairs on the grinder. .19/16 nuts. Okay, let's see what we have. Okay, I think the belt and pulley, the clutch system is all fixed. One thing I'll have to keep an eye on is the carburetor. I don't know if the needle and seat are sealing or not. Kind of looks like it's not. And the tank was dry when I went to work on this today, which was okay because I had to tip it. It didn't leak any on the driveway. But might have one other repair needed. That shouldn't be too bad. All in all, it's a pretty good running old machine. I think I looked this up. I think it said it might be like a 1996 or something. But it still sounds good. So, if you have that problem with a weak clutch, maybe this video will help. Thanks for watching.